Hi guys, today I want to talk about employee tools, and more specifically I want to talk about the problem with employee tools on your garage insurance policy. Most people think that this is a covered risk, that this is just something that is on your policy and it should be included in everything normally. But unfortunately that's not the case. The problem is it's not covered. Now I'm going to get into why that is, and then I'm also going to get into what you can do about it to make sure they are covered. So let's get into it. Okay, so the quick and easy reason why your employees' tools are not covered by your garage insurance policy is this: your business does not own your employee tools. Get it? So if your employee brings his or her own toolbox with all of their meticulously collected, hand-selected tools, your business does not own that. They do. It's not going to be covered under your business section, your property section of your garage insurance policy. You are going to have to do something differently in order to make sure these are covered, because if you think about it, if someone comes in and steals everything in your shop at night, which I know is like the horror situation, right? That's the terrible thing that can happen. So someone comes in, they steal everything. If your employee stores his tools or her tools there, then that's going to be not covered. If those are stolen, then they're not going to be covered on the policy. So we got to make sure that they are covered, and there is a way to do that I'm going to tell you about right now. Okay, so the good piece of news in all this is that there is an additional piece of protection you can add to your garage insurance policy to make sure that this is covered, and it is creatively called employee tools coverage. Make sure that this is added to your policy. Now, a lot of agents will go ahead and put this on, but they usually put on the very minimum amount that they can put on there. You need to check and see how much of that coverage is on there, because as we all know, tools nowadays are incredibly expensive. It's not uncommon for an employee to have personal tools in the range of $25,000, $50,000, and we actually have a customer and their employees sometimes have up to 100 grand in tools that they personally owned. Let's make sure that we have the right amount of coverage. Call your agent, find out how much you have, and it's probably not enough, and it needs to be at least $100,000. I hope you guys found that helpful, and if you did, what you need to do is make sure you click the link below this and we schedule a time to talk. You need to speak with one of our garage insurance experts, someone who knows this stuff inside and out, that can guide you through exactly what you need and find these little gaps, these missing pieces, things like employee tool coverage. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you soon.